Real nigga music ain't real nigga movie. Hey man, the industry so motherfucking dirty, man. I watch this shit break down my motherfucking organization, man. Watch these niggas infiltrate this shit, man. Watch out for these labels, man. Nigga 4-finger fucking y'all niggas, man. Real talk, man. Make sure your lawyer know what he doing, man. He signed contracts right. Cause home might sign you on a fucked up deal thinking that shit real. Don't get a 360. That shit ain't 100, my nigga. Walk the flock of flame. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Yo, Lord, take my bag. Please, the devil empty me. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Yo, fuck this industry. Yo, bitch, I'm in these streets. Yo, Lord, take my bag. The devil empty me. Yo, Lord, take my bag. The devil into me. Fuck this industry. Bitch, I'm in the streets. They say tears is pain. I call it bullshit. Cause when I'm finished crying, I'm back to this bullshit. I got a full clip for my enemies. They wanna see me dead off these fucking streets. I drink this fucking liquor. You know the remedy. Walk a flock of flame. Ain't no end in me. Shout out to my mama. Man, she got my back. Man, I love my family. That's a fucking fact. Fuck this industry. I mean that shit, dawg. Walk a flock of flame. Man, I want it all. I can't trust myself, so don't trust me. I can't trust my friends. Man, they set me up.